In front of me is HONOR MagicPad 2, and today I would like to show you how you can set up a block. Begin by going into Devices Settings. Now scroll down to click on Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down to click on Device and Data Protection. Select App Lock. Hit Enable over here. And decide if you wish to lock your apps using your current screen lock, or create custom PIN only for your apps. If you want to create this PIN, hit Custom PIN here. And then input your chosen one. Repeat it to confirm it. And when you're ready, answer security question. If you don't like this one, click on it and tap on any of those. If you don't like any of them, click on the question, tap on Custom Question at the bottom, create your own, and choose OK. Remember to answer it correctly below. Then hit Finish. And to lock any app, use gray switcher right next to it. So when I go back and try to access my app, I can see that custom PIN is now required. If you want to disable app lock from any app, go back to the same settings, enter your PIN or screen lock, and use now blue switcher. By tapping on this gear icon at the top right corner of App Lock settings, you can manage all of those options and even disable App Lock completely by using this button at the bottom. Click on it, hit Disable, and enter your PIN one last time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!